Welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to review an article about the investment in cryptocurrency. It discusses what cryptocurrencies to pick for investment. I hope you enjoy it. If you find it interesting, please don't forget to like and subscribe. If you are ready, let's get started. When trying to decide on a crypto to buy in, it's important to spread your money around by purchasing a wide variety of coins from different exchanges and projects. This will help spread your risk across a wider range of investments and help you avoid losing everything. Cryptocurrencies are digital assets based on a decentralized system. Bitcoin pioneered the concept of a decentralized digital currency. Produced first in 2009, it was conceived in 2008. There have been numerous new cryptos released since then. In July of 2022, there were over 20,268 different cryptocurrencies available, according to data compiled by CryptoSpace Statistics. Every year brings a larger and larger crowd. As of Wednesday, December 14, 2022, trading at 526 exchanges worldwide, the total value of all cryptocurrencies was $880.05 billion, as reported by CoinMarketcap. Given these numbers, it's easy to feel lost when trying to decide which cryptocurrency to invest in. The best cryptocurrency to invest in may not be obvious at first glance, but we'll look at some ways to narrow down the field. Choosing the top cryptocurrency to put money into in 2022 is not a simple task. Please consider these 4 points. One method of making an investing decision among cryptocurrencies is to look at their respective market capitalization rankings. Here is a look at the 10 largest virtual currencies by Marketcap. You can see from the figures that Bitcoin, 39.73%, and Ethereum, 18.36%, account for a combined 58.09% of the overall market capitalization of $818.77 billion across all cryptocurrencies. To put it another way, they are the gold standards of the cryptocurrency industry. As a result, you may decide to put some of your Bitcoin holdings into these too. Consider if a token will have a finite supply. The quantity of coins that are now in circulation is an additional factor to think about. The total number of bitcoins is fixed at the amount that may be produced by mining 756,190 blocks, for instance. There is only 1,766,163 coins left to mine by 14th of December 2022, when supply is 19,233,837.00. As an increasing number of people begin to invest in Bitcoin, its demand rises. But there is a shortage of this item. Any digital asset, including Bitcoin, would see its price rise if demand were to outpace supply. To this end, it is important to consider the total supply and the amount of a cryptocurrency already in circulation when choosing which cryptocurrency to purchase for investment purposes. A white paper is included with every crypto investment that explains the coin in detail, including why it was developed, what problems it will solve, what technology it employs, etc. The coin's creators' goals are discussed in the white paper as well. If the information in the white paper checks out, you might want to put some money into the currency right away. With time, you will be able to tell if the white paper's concept is actually being realized. If that's the case, the price of the cryptocurrency ought to rise. In light of this information, you may decide to increase your holdings of this particular cryptocurrency. The white paper includes a discussion of the coin's potential applications, which is an essential component. It's a major reason why people will start using it. Investors. Possible future applications of Nest technology. The wider the acceptance of the coin and the greater the increase in its value, the greater the number of potential uses. I'd want to illustrate with an example. Ethereum is a cutting-edge platform with some of the most promising applications. These applications have helped propel Ethereum's market valuation to second place, just behind Bitcoin's. As of right now, it could be one of the greatest cryptocurrencies to invest in. The coin's value and likelihood of survival will both decline if demand for it declines. Therefore, when deciding which cryptocurrency to invest in, you should give serious thought to the coin's potential applications. If you want to succeed as an investor, you need to allocate your assets wisely. Investments in stocks, bonds, commodities, physical assets, and digital currencies are just some of the asset classes that should be spread out to reduce risk. And within the realm of cryptocurrency investment, spreading your money around among different coins is a good idea. This can be done by considering variables like market size, supply and demand, potential applications, and so on. Last but not least, remember that it's preferable to invest a little bit at a time rather than a big chunk all at once. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to not miss my future videos.